It's almost like a human right, transportation. And so when we're connecting people to where they need to go, that's what we're here for, and that's what makes our job so rewarding. Anytime you're dealing with logistics, there's always a challenge.
Before Spare, I would have to look at the spreadsheet. So at the end of every day, they have write-ups off of every single vehicle. We would have to make temporary work orders on more paper. It was actually due to printers breaking down regularly that we needed to figure a different system out that would pretty much take care of everything all in one instead of having to worry about paper.
The information flowing from operators into maintenance and from maintenance back to operators was either non-existent or super complex and untimely. And so when they came and brought the opportunity for utilizing a asset management platform, it was kind of a no-brainer to jump in with them because they brought the quality to our operation and the high expectation of bringing that same quality to maintenance.
We at Spare believe that the asset is actually the source of truth because that's the most expensive thing and the most valuable thing that drives all the other data and all the other information for how to manage and get the most out of that. So enterprise asset management is a way for agencies and municipalities to organize and manage their assets. And that's really powerful because it saves a lot of miscommunication, it saves a lot of paperwork.
In the maintenance staff, we pretty much have a 5-person team. And all 5 of us use the software, the EAM software. My parts people, they actually use it quite a bit to manage parts, to track parts. As far as the Spare software, everything is on the tablet. Everything you have to do to get the work assigned, get it finished, and completed is done on the tablets.
One of the things that a lot of customers like Citibus really love is the ability to do analytics. We have a really powerful BI tool built in to Spare. You're actually pulling that information right from the same source, which means all the data points are accessible and all of them are reporting on it. Whereas you lose a lot of that context when you drag that into another BI tool that doesn't have the same capability or feature.
I would say to definitely try it, maybe even just for a month, and they would realize how much of a change it makes, how much easier it makes the job. The communication is just so much better in general than using paper.
One of the key things that I've learned over my time in being in this role is the vendors that I want to work with are the ones that are going to be there to help when we need it and will be available and willing to answer those questions and really roll their sleeves up and get dirty with us. And Spare's been that organization for us. I mean, they're not afraid to walk in here and help where they can and continually help us improve what we're doing.